Here we go. Here's your update from Callahan's Music Hall in Auburn Hills in about 60 seconds or so. This weekend's dedicated to great rock and blues guitar trench music. It's a rock and blues doubleheader this Friday and Saturday night, March 10th and 11th, as we welcome back Davy Knowles, formerly the Backdoor Slam, along with the Steepwater Band. Two great bands performing full sets of music each night. Don't miss it. Looking ahead, coming up next weekend, Wednesday, March 15th, it's a special duo performance from Keith Harkin with special meet and greet tickets available. And coming up next weekend, March 17th and 18th, Friday and Saturday, it's Legacy, a tribute spectacular featuring the music of Tom Jones, Neil Diamond, Elvis Presley, and more, performed by BYRON. Information, tickets, and more is available on these performances and all events coming to Callahan's via the website at www.callahan's.com. That's ATCALLAHANS.com. That'll about do it. That's your update from Callahan's Music Hall. Music up close and personal the way it should be.